Hey Wendy, what's going on? My name is Aiden Resendiz here, coming to you over at Audi VW Fall River. Today showing you this beautiful 2015 Nissan Armada. Stay tuned, let me show you around. Alrighty Wendy, follow me around this beautiful, beautiful example of a 2015 Nissan Armada. Super clear headlights. This one is fully loaded. You're gonna notice those front sensors on this vehicle. Fog lights, of course. Moving around, you got these large, beautiful, all-season Goodyear tires on those chrome wheels. Really nicely pop out there. You got some chrome accents on the mirror caps, some trim inlays, as well as some door handles as well. So really kind of ties everything in together just with those chrome accents. Now, tail lights, everything popping out at you here. This vehicle does have a backup camera. You got a couple different options out back here. Of course, you're gonna have a power tailgate, being that this is a platinum. Tow equipment, third row, you're seeing it folded down right now. You got a whole bunch of trunk space in the vehicle here. Then of course you got the buttons to open and close. This is a power seat here for your third row, so you push the button, pops right up, folds right down for you. Nice and easy. Some charging ports in the rear here as well. Got some cup holders for the third row there. A lot of nice little goodies. As we move along here, you're gonna see the gas tank is on the driver's side. Take a peek at that second row. You are going to have heated rear seats for the second bench there. You got the screens built right into the back of the headrests, as well as one that drops down as well. So you do have some nice little goodies in this vehicle. All genuine leather, of course. Second row does fold down if you need to as well. You can make some adjustments sliding forward and backwards. Ton of space in this. Keyless entry on the front door here. But anyways, let me hop in this vehicle real quick and show you around the inside. Alrighty Wendy, take a look at this super spacious, luxurious interior. 2015, as I mentioned, outside, sitting at 157,421 miles, but you would not even know taking this bad boy for a spin. Super comfortable, super well taken care of. Previous owners were actually my personal customers. They ended up getting into a Atlas Cross Sport, which is a little bit smaller. Kids are all grown up, they don't need as much space, so cleaned up very well. Again, they took super good care of it. Great customers of mine. So again, this is a fully loaded vehicle, so you're looking at a vehicle that's going to have seat and mirror position memory for 2 passengers, power folding mirrors, power tailgate buttons from the inside, fully adjustable. You can adjust the position of the brake pedal. Cruise control built right into the steering wheel here, as well as heated seats up front too. Bose sound system built right into the vehicle. Really clean audio coming from Nissan here. Center console is pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy there. You do have navigation built in here, as well as just standard standard audio controls, AM, FM, Sirius XM, all built right in here, nice and easy. You do have some different driving modes here as well. This is a 4-wheel drive vehicle, so you have the ability to make changes to all of those particular settings. Backup camera, very nice. Having for a 2015, a lot of 2015s didn't come with that standard, so it's nice seeing that coming from Nissan here. And yeah, just take a look at overall just this interior here. You got some nice wood inlays that are nice gloss. Of course, your main inlay here on the dashboard is going to be like this dark gray material. Leather, really nice clean. Seats are so comfortable. I am an absolute huge fan of these seats here. So yeah, a couple other buttons I want to show you up top real quick. First things first, you're going to have your standard light controls, some rear climate controls here as well, and a little sunglass holder. And look at this nice sunroof here as well. Let me show you that. Alrighty, Wendy, I hope this video gave you a little bit more insight here on our 2015 Nissan Armada. Give me a call, shoot me a text, let me know if you want to learn a little bit more about the vehicle, Carfax, everything. I'll be able to go over everything with you. We went through this vehicle in the shop fully, front to back, so anything they need to get taken care of, absolutely did. Give me a call, shoot me a text. 774-322-1975 is my personal cell. You can also give the store a call directly, 508-678-5555. Just remember to ask for me, Aiden. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for stopping by.